What's up, YouTube? I figured I'd do a bike check real quick. I'm about to take this apart because I want to sell this frame. It's too short. I like it, but I don't know. I have too many other bikes I gotta do. So I'm gonna do a bike check here. This is a 2019 ALVX BSD frame in raw, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know, it's a little short for me. It's got the nice investment cast chainstay, nice fat thick dropouts. Alright, so that's my frame. I'm running Cult Sect V2 forks. I like them. I like them a lot, and I don't like Cult. I have a Cult Salvation stem and Cult crew bars. I think they're 9.5 or whatever their next size up from 9, but not 10 is. I have a Shadow Conspiracy headset and a Shadow Conspiracy bottom bracket. I have, let's stay on the front end. So, yeah, the bars. I have BSD Dan Paley slim grips with the sick bar ends that come with it. I have Fit PVC pegs, which are great. I don't know why, I think they stopped making them, but look, they roll. So, I know a lot of pegs do, but these ones roll really nice. Alright, so, yeah, I got the Fit pegs. I have this front wheel here is an Odyssey Hazard light with a Primo N4 FL front hub, and I have a Fit FAF street, not the knobby one, the street one. I think it's a 2.3. It's sick. The wheel's sick. All Fit parts are sick. All Odyssey parts are sick. Alright, so I have a We the People pivotal seat post. It's fantastic. I have a BSD in Chris Cowell's signature flight seat, and it's really sick. It's leather. It's a slim. Look at how sweet that is. I don't know if you can see it, but it's bad. It's really sweet. Okay, I have let's see, I have Cult OS cranks. And OS does not stand for oversized, it stands for overseas. So, but anyways, they're great. Supposedly Profile makes them for Cult. I don't know. But I don't know, they're 175s and I like them just fine, 19 mil. I have a BSD Ultralight 6 rocket. It's beefy. It's beefier than the Fit key sprocket. I have the 24 millimeter fitted. Spline drive, and it's not, that thing's it's sick. I also have BSD Safari pedals. I love Odyssey twisted PCs, but these are better. I hate to say it. So far. And it's been 4 years. Alright, so alright, this back rim is an Odyssey Hazard light with a Primo remix. Sick, right? Cult butter pegs in the back. Nylon hub guard, plastic hub guard, both Primo. That's it. Oh, FAF tire, same tires up front, 2.3 street FAF. shadow bottom bracket. I got these sick little caps here, but yeah, it's sick. It's really sick. But I'm selling the frame. I have a lot of bikes for sale, but that's the bike check of my 2019 BSD ALVX. It's great. I love it, but it's a little too short. It's too short in the back. You can't get. It's like I can't explain it. You have to ride it. But thanks for watching. I have Fit Savage, which is my bike that I'm gonna do a bike check on, and I have my Fit Aitken. It's 2010. That I'm putting together. A lot of these parts will be on it. So thanks for watching.